again. Oh, that happens usually with the lipstick. Oh, you've got it. You've got it. Yep. Now, oh, he needs a shower. He needs a shower. Look at that. Sorry, guys. Alcohol. What? Oh no! What is it doing? This is really what we call bubble pop. Okay, nice once again.